In all of the swords in the world, there is one that stands above all. The katana. A sword so mythical that there are hundreds of legends written about it. And of all legends about this sword, the legend of Kenshin Himura is popular, thanks to the anime series, Samurai X. A katana is a Japanese sword characterized by a curved, single-edged blade with a circular or squared guard and long grip to accommodate two hands. Developed later than the tachi, it was used by samurai in feudal Japan and worn with the blade facing upward. Since the Muromachi period, many old tachi were cut from the root and shortened, and the blade at the root was crushed and converted into katana. The official term for katana in Japan is uchigatana, and the term katana often refers to single-edged swords from around the world. Historically, katana have been regarded not only as weapons but also as works of art, especially for high-quality ones. For a long time, Japanese people have developed a unique appreciation method in which the blade is regarded as the core of their aesthetic evaluation rather than the sword mountings decorated with luxurious lacquer or metal works. Here in Museo Bulawan, we are honored to exhibit the same legendary sword, the katana. This sword was also known as gunto, a ceremonial sword produced for the Imperial Japanese Army and Navy after the introduction of conscription in 1872. During the pre-World War II military buildup, and throughout the war, all Japanese officers were required to wear a sword. This particular sword was collected during an encounter of a guerrilla unit with a Japanese patrol army in Barangay Labnig, Paracali, Camarines Norte way back in 1942. The owner was identified as Lieutenant Onada and was traced through the serial number of the sword. This sword was donated by the Boais family of Dalat, Camarines Norte. This is only one of the displayed items in Museo Bulawan. We will feature more items here in the museum in the future. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to our social media account to learn more about the culture of Camarines Norte.